This is the day when I have to clean all the house. I already started and I cleaned the bedroom. Now I have my little buddy which is basically cleaning the carpet. Let me show you. He's a must. His name is Alfred. My husband is over there. He is so useful. I really recommend you to have one of them at home. And now I have to clean all this beauty corner. As you can see, I have here all the products and it's such a mess as I didn't have enough time to clean them. And I'm gonna be doing this today, and I will show you how I'm cleaning my brushes as well. And here I have all the products that are for you guys, because there are a few days left from our giveaway, so don't forget to enter, because we really want to share them with you. They are amazing products. They are some of our favorites, so we said that we should be sharing them with you, because why not? Sharing is caring in the end. And I really love that you guys love them, and as I said, I am gonna do my best to organize a giveaway each month. And now let's move on.
Come over, I see you, I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time.
Now I have to clean all of these brushes. It's gonna take me a while, but trust me, it's super important to clean them at least once a week. And I said that maybe it would be useful to share with you how I'm doing it. I find this super useful. I bought it from Amazon. I think it was around £5, and I'm always using it when I'm cleaning my brushes. As you can see, it has here written which type of brush you can use on that specific area. So we have here this area here for washing the eye brushes. Then you can wash your face brushes because are bigger on this area here, and also you can rinse them here, and here it says the eye brushes, and here the face brushes. You don't have to worry that it's gonna move, because it's basically very well fixed here on the sink. Then I'm gonna use a solid soap. I think I got this one from Cult Beauty, if I'm not wrong, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm doing it. Let's take a brush, I don't know which one, let's say this one, which is a smaller brush. The water is not too hot, but it's not too cold. Just use a little bit of soap and then clean it, rinse it off, and that's it. This is the process. Easy peasy. And I'm gonna do the same thing with all the brushes.